Organizers have hit the brakes on the Detroit Auto Show. That means downtown will soon have another medical facility to help lighten the load of local medical systems. 7 Action News reporter Jennifer Ann Wilson is live at TCF Center with more on the timeline for the transformation. Jennifer Ann.
Yeah, Glenda, the federal government is actually spearheading all of this. The U.S. Army Corps of Engineers, they are running the show and tell me that today it was all about securing a contractor, and they're hoping to have a deal signed tonight or tomorrow. Meanwhile, supplies needed for this big conversion should be arriving any minute now.
From the auto show to the boat show, the TCF Convention Center, formerly Cobo Hall, has hosted some of the biggest events in our region. Now, the convention center's impact on Metro Detroit will literally be life and death. As case numbers in Michigan skyrocket above 6,000, 250,000 square feet of the TCF Center will be transformed into a temporary hospital.
TCF Center was the place where you could get the most beds in the shortest period of time.
This diagram from the U.S. Army Corps of Engineers shows how the wide open space will be divided into enclosed patient pods with nurses stations in between. And to give you an idea of what that might look like, check out these photos FEMA tweeted from the Javits Center in New York. It's another convention center becoming a temporary hospital to treat patients in the midst of this pandemic. The transformation of the TCF Center will take 5 to 9 days once the work begins and accommodate 900 patients on 2 floors. Patients will be separated by severity of their symptoms, and this is likely just the beginning.
If you look at what New York is doing, I think they've got 8 or 10 of them spread around the region, and the Army Corps of Engineers is working with the governor to follow the same practice
Delta offering free round-trip flights for volunteer medical workers coming to Michigan to help. And at a press conference this morning, Dr. Khaldun from the Michigan Department of Health and Human Services says they're recruiting within the state, too.
There's no question that we don't have enough right now. We don't have enough medical professionals today to staff a 1,000-bed facility, but we are aggressively loosening the scope of practice laws, calling for volunteers, and also are going to be looking across the state for medical professionals working in areas where they might not be as hard hit right now.
Well, the Army Corps of Engineers says that the contractor they're hoping to have do the work is the Detroit Regional Convention Center Authority, which is actually the group that manages the TCF Center. We'll continue to follow this and the developments. And ultimately, like I said, we could see a hospital here at the TCF Center in about a week. Reporting live in Detroit, I'm Jennifer Ann Wilson, 7 Action News.
That temporary hospital will be much needed. Jennifer Ann, thank you.